Hey everyone, it's me here, Kimball, back here with another video. This is going to be a short and sweet one. In a previous video, not too far back, I showed how I use setting type joint compound, Easy Sand 45 specifically. It's pretty much plaster, the equivalent of plaster, to fill nail holes when I put up the cove molding around the ceiling in this room. And I'm using it again now, of course, because I think it's the ideal wood filler for interior woodwork that's going to be painted. I'm using it here on this pine. All the nail holes are filled with that material, and I have a way of mixing it that is very easy, and I want to show that to you right now. The mixing container will be a plastic bag, just like you see right here, and I'm going to dip out some of this powder and put it into the bag. And I'm dipping it out with a paint stirrer. You can use whatever's handy. There we go. Got a little bit in the bag. Got more than enough, I'm sure. Then we take apple cider vinegar. It's just water. And we pour a little in there. And we kind of mix it up. And we need a little bit more water, but we don't put too much at a time in there. That's probably too much. Get it? Knead it around. That's K-N-E-A-D. Knead it around. And that's it. It's mixed. It's mixed. I can squeeze that right into a corner. See the corner there? Right there? And just pull it out. In fact, let's take a look at it. Yeah, so there. I can just squeeze out as I need it, right there. And this is a setting type joint compound, but it doesn't set up in the bag nearly as fast as it does when you mix it outside of the bag. So I'll show you some that's dried over here and how it looks when it's sanded, in case you missed that previous video. But there you go. Just squeeze that right out there as needed. Put it on with your fingers. That's what fingers are for. Put in nail holes. Here's some that I put on with my fingers, and it has dried. You need this to be dry before you sand it. And I've got some fine sandpaper. That's the best. This is 150, and that'll do it. That's how easy it is. Yeah. Done. Very nice. This filler needs to be totally dry before you sand it, and that's it. That's all there is to it. You see how nice that came off there, and it's still kind of hanging in there? Maybe you can't see that, and it gummed up my block. That was not totally dry. So you want it to be totally dry, and you get a nice flat filler. Yeah, there we go. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video.